SchoolAI offers a variety of tools to assist teachers in their lesson planning, rubric creation, or anything else related to their teaching practice. To access the tools built into SchoolAI, you can either come up here to the Tools button on the navigation bar, or over here to the right side in the Launchpad. There, they pull out a couple of the more popular types of tools, or you can click See All Tools, where it takes you to a page that shows you every type of tool that is available, in addition to all the documents that you may have created already in SchoolAI. So you can see it ranges anywhere from lesson plans, rubrics, newsletters, syllabus, vocabulary list, PLC agendas, jokes, or if none of these seem to fit exactly what it is that you're looking for, they also have a build your own, where you can use custom instructions to create any sort of document that you might be looking for. You'll also notice that next to each of these, I have things like 3 documents, 1 document, 9 documents. Basically, SchoolAI saves any document that's generated from these tools so that you can access it later. You can also find all of the documents that have been generated at the bottom of the list here, where you can go in and access them, make adjustments, or edit them, or export them as needed. All tools work the same way in the beginning. There's a little Generate button. So you click the Generate button, and then you're taken to a new page with some additional prompts. Each one will have slightly different prompts depending on what it is that you are looking to create. In this case, I'm working on a lesson plan. So for a lesson plan, I would select the grade level that I'm working with, the topic that I might want a lesson plan on, and you are only required to put in anything that has the red star next to it. So if you want to just see what's created based on simply putting in a topic, you can click Generate, and it will automatically generate that lesson plan. Once you've generated your document, you can either make adjustments to it directly in the editor that is built in to SchoolAI. You can also choose to export it either as a PDF, a Google Doc, or directly to Google Classroom. You can share it to be able to copy it and send it to someone. Or more likely, if you start that simply, you'll want to make some adjustments to the prompt for it to make adjustments to the document that was created. In this case, perhaps the lesson plan takes too long and I want it to fit into one class period. I can go in here and in my additional details, I can say that I want this lesson to last 45 minutes. Then I can regenerate and it will adjust the document. You can make adjustments to your prompt, adding additional details, adding specific standards, even attaching files and documents that are related to your content as many times as you want until you get what it is that you're looking for. And again, once you're finished, whether you want to edit it directly in their editor or export it out as a Google document, these are all options that you can use. And then once you're finished with it, you can simply close out of it and go back to either your Launchpad or your tools. Once you've done that, to re-access that same lesson plan, you can go back. I created that lesson plan. I can click where it says 5 documents, and I can see that it didn't just save my regenerated one, it saved both of them. So I can actually see each iteration of the document that was created and be able to go back in and make changes to those. As I mentioned, each tool has slightly different prompts built within it. So for example, a rubric has some additional pieces where it wants the grade, the assignment title, the details on the assignment, how many points you want the rubric to be created on, and then any additional information about the project or the assessment that you would be grading on. Again, you can always add specific standards, which it will pull from state standards or national standards, or they have thousands of standards built in. So you can go through and pick exactly the standards that are related if you so choose. And again, you can upload files. So if you wanted to create a rubric for a particular assignment, you had a document that had the assignment, you could upload that document and it would create a rubric based on your document. I encourage you to explore the tools, test them out, see how they work, always keeping in mind that everything generated from AI is simply a suggestion, and you are the teacher who makes the decision as to what works best for you and your class. So use it as a starting point, and then make your adjustments to make it fit for your class.